Ready to discover if Duda is the website builder that can finally bring your dream website to life? In this video, we're diving deep into Duda, assessing its features, ease of use, design flexibility, and pricing to help you decide if it truly stands out from the crowded website builder market. First up, let's talk features. Duda is known for its personalization rules, allowing you to tailor content to specific visitors based on triggers like location or time of day. The drag-and-drop interface is user-friendly, making it easy to add and arrange elements. However, absolute beginners might find the sheer number of options a bit overwhelming initially. Duda offers a ton of templates, covering a wide array of industries. These are highly customizable, offering a solid foundation, but some might find the aesthetic a little less modern compared to builders like Squarespace. Now, for design flexibility, Duda shines. You have full control over your site's appearance, including mobile responsiveness. This is crucial because Duda excels at creating websites that look great on any device. Plus, Duda's client management tools are fantastic for agencies. Pricing is where things get a little complex. Duda isn't the cheapest option, and its plans are geared more towards professionals who need client management features. Individuals on a tight budget might find other builders more affordable. So, what's the verdict? Duda's strengths include exceptional design flexibility, strong personalization features, and powerful client management tools. Its weaknesses: a potentially overwhelming interface for beginners and a price point that might deter some individuals. Ultimately, Duda is a powerful choice for businesses and designers who need advanced features and client management capabilities. But make sure you weigh the pros and cons before taking the plunge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more website builder reviews.